Alright, here's your next exciting video. Linear inequalities. Solving for y. The slope-intercept form looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. I like that form. It's easy for graphing most of the time. It's nice. It's a good form. The problem is sometimes we're giving equations that are not in that form, and we want to put them into this form. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to be doing some picking and dropping. And remember, bump your head, become the opposite. So we're going to be picking things up, dropping them on the other side of the equation, and they'll become the opposite. You're going to like how these work because they're pretty basic. Remember, the goal is to get into slope-intercept form. This is what I want. I want something that looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. This is what I want. This is what I'm given. Somebody's in the wrong place. Who's messing this up? I want it to be y all by itself right here. So who needs to be moved? This guy. And where does he need to be? He needs to be in front of the -3. He needs to be right there. This is y is greater than 8x, right? He dropped, though. He's dropped on the other side, so he's bumping his head. He's changing to a negative -3. That's the game. Here's another one. I want y equals mx plus b. The x is in the wrong spot. This x needs to be right there. Well, let's move him. That's going to give me 2y is greater than or equal to -x minus 3. This still is not in slope-intercept form. Why? It's supposed to be y equals, and I have 2y is greater than or equal to, right? Don't worry about the inequality right now. This is supposed to be y equals, and I have 2y equals. Who's messing it up? It's supposed to be y equals, but it's 2y equals. Who's messing this up? The 2. What's the 2 doing? Multiplying. How do I deal with multiplication? Division. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide every piece by 2. And now I'll clean it up, but I have an answer that works here. What I'm left with is y is greater than or equal to -1/2 x minus 3 halves. Right? -1/2 right here. -3 halves. This equation has turned into a slope-intercept equation. Here's our final one. Remember, I'm looking to have y equals mx plus b. This 8x is in the wrong spot. It needs to come over here and be dropped. That would leave me with 20y is greater than -8x minus 14. The 20 is messing everything up. I'm going to divide everything through by a 20. I now have y is greater than negative 8 over 20, but that can reduce. Negative 8 over 20 can reduce to 4 over 10, which is 2 over 5. (14 over 20 can reduce to 7 over 10. So we've taken this equation up here, which is in that's in what? It's in standard form, and we've pushed it over into slope-intercept form. All right, that's it for this video. Talk to you later. Bye.